Hi, I'm Andreas, and today we're talking about how to put up a Windmaster in a safe spot. So the first thing to do is to get your Windmaster safely out of the truck. It should always be in the perfect position. You then look around. If everything is safe, you will grab your Windmaster. You will walk it to the first spot that you measured out, that you walked 40 meters from where the next one is going to go. And you place your Windmaster on the ground. Again, you look around, everything is safe. You then open up the legs. Ensure when all four legs are down that you kind of step on and make sure they're in the right position, that the pin is in. When you put it on the ground, it should kind of bounce. And then you put the sign and whatever you need to do. When you finish doing it, you again take the sign out first. And you turn around, make sure everything is safe. You put the Windmaster on the side. You then will close the two legs, lift it up, put it on its top, and now you will close the second pair of legs and bring it back to the truck and put it back in a safe spot.